A step-by-step guide to Fidelity DRIP starts with understanding what DRIP means. DRIP stands for Dividend Reinvestment Plan, a program that allows investors to automatically reinvest dividends from their investments back into the same investment. To start with Fidelity DRIP, you need to have a Fidelity account. If you do not have one, you can easily open it on the Fidelity website. Once your account is open, you need to enroll in the Fidelity DRIP program. You can do this by logging into your Fidelity account and going to the account settings. From there, you can select the investments you want to enroll in the DRIP program. Fidelity allows you to enroll in DRIP for most of the investments they offer, including stocks, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds. Once you have enrolled in the DRIP program, Fidelity will automatically reinvest any dividends you receive from your investments. This means that instead of receiving the dividend as cash, it will be used to buy more shares of the investment. For example, if you own shares of a company that pays a dividend of $1 per share and you own 100 shares, you would normally receive $100 in dividend payments. With the DRIP program, Fidelity will use that $100 to buy more shares of the company instead of sending it to you as cash. It is essential to keep in mind that the DRIP program is a long-term investment strategy. It works best when you leave your investments alone and let the power of compounding do its work. Additionally, you should also keep an eye on the fees associated with the DRIP program. While Fidelity does not charge any fees for the DRIP program itself, there may be fees associated with buying and selling shares of the investment. In conclusion, the Fidelity DRIP program is a great way to build wealth over time with minimal effort. By following these steps and understanding how the program works, you can make the most of your investments and achieve your long-term financial goals.